News just coming in a day after protesters set the Nepal Supreme Court on fire. There is a scramble now to save key files and documents that were gutted in the fire. Visuals showed lawyers taking out files that were unscathed in the inferno. Sikta now joins me live from Kathmandu. Sikta, that is very crucial. In fact, you have so many files stacked up in the Supreme Court, a lot of them now burnt and destroyed.
Right. Vedika, when we reached the Supreme Court premises in Kathmandu, it was quite tragic to see the situation there. It is under the army control now, but we saw two fire tenders trying to douse the fire, and we actually managed to see when they were opening the iron cupboards, which were stocked with the files. When they opened the cupboards, the files were on fire inside the cupboard. So that's the reality right now. The big institutions, the big democratic institutions like the Supreme Court of Nepal was targeted yesterday by the young protesters as an anger or as a message to the current political class, to the current establishment, that they have lost faith in them and they need to go, and a new team of leadership needs to take charge of Nepal. So, that's the new Nepal which we are looking ahead. But right now, these institutions, these establishments which were targeted, the challenge right now for the new caretaker government or the interim government or even for the army chief is to stabilize these institutions, make it work, make it function as soon as possible. Supreme Court legal documents and the judgment files, we all know how important they are in our legal system. So the challenge will be for the new government and the new leadership to restore peace and stability as soon as possible and then make these democratic institutions function. Well, the challenge will be more related to infrastructure, because as the visuals we can see, it's all in ashes. The documents all burnt, the infrastructure all burnt down, charred, glass panes, window sills, all broken. So
yes,
it is a challenge for the new government, for the infrastructure to get back to its running, and well, that will be the new challenge. But the biggest tragic thing is that the files were all charred and burnt, and whatever they could salvage, they were trying to do that when we reached there, Vedika.
Sikta, thanks for joining us live.